Hello my dear students, in this video I like to explain universal gates, NAND and NOR implementation. Before going to the actual topic, I like to give an overview with respect to basic logic gates. There are 7 basic gates like NOT, AND, NAND, etc. These are all the output equations. These are all the symbols. This is the truth table which gives the input-output relationship. Logic 0 is nothing but 0 volts, logic 1 is nothing but 5 volts. For example, in case of AND gate, the output is 1 if both the inputs are 1, and the output is 0 for the rest of the input. Similarly, the output for different combination of input is shown in this truth table. Next is laws of Boolean algebra. These are all the names of the laws. These are all the equations associated with each law. AND form is nothing but in the multiplication form like 1 dot A is equal to A. R form is the dual of AND form. Dual is nothing but logic 1 is replaced by logic 0. Dot is replaced by plus. A variable remains as it is. So this is applicable to all other equations here. This is the De Morgan's law or De Morgan's theorem. It has two statements. First statement states that the product of complement is equal to sum of individual complement. The second law states that the sum of complement is equal to product of individual complement. The bar is called as complement. So here all these equations are very important. It is necessary to remember these equations in order to solve the given Boolean equation. Next is universal gate. NAND and NOR gates are called universal gates because using these gates the basic gates like NOT, OR, AND XOR functions can be realized. Hence, NAND and NOR gate is called as universal gate, and also any Boolean expression can be implemented using only these two gates, NAND and NOR gates. Next is we have to show how NAND gate can be implemented as NOT, OR, AND XOR function. The first one is the NOT function. The same input is given to both the input of NAND gate. The output is A dot A whole bar. A dot A is equal to A. This is by Ida-Pontet law. It is nothing but the NOT function. Next is the OR function. A bar, B bar. Then the output of these two gate is given to the next gate. The final output is A bar dot B bar whole bar. Apply De Morgan's theorem. We get A double bar plus B double bar. A variable with double complement is equal to variable itself. This is also one of the Boolean algebraic law. So here these two complement get cancelled with each other, which gives the variable itself. Therefore the final result is A plus B, which is the OR function. Next is the AND function. Two inputs A and B is given. The output is AB whole bar. Next is given to the next NAND gate. The output is AB bar dot AB bar whole bar. Apply De Morgan's theorem. We get AB plus AB. AB plus AB is nothing but AB itself. This is by Ida-Pontet law. Again, this is the AND function. Next is the XOR function. A and B are the two inputs. The output of first gate is AB bar. The input to the second gate is the output of first gate and A. The input to the third gate is output of first gate and B. Next is the output of second gate is AB bar dot A whole bar as shown here. Apply De Morgan's theorem and simplify. We get AB plus A bar. Next is the output of third gate is AB bar dot B whole bar. Apply De Morgan's theorem and simplify. We get AB plus B bar. Next, the output of second and third gate is given as an input to the fourth gate. The output of fourth gate is AB plus A bar dot AB plus B bar whole bar. Apply De Morgan's theorem and simplify. Finally, we get this equation. So here A bar dot A and B bar dot B is equal to 0 because of inverse law. It is nothing but A dot A bar is equal to 0. So these two terms get cancelled with each other. Finally, we get A bar B plus B bar A, which is nothing but XOR function. Next is the realization of NOT, OR, AND XOR using NOR gate. First one is NOT function. Same input is given to NOR gate. The output is A plus A whole bar. Apply De Morgan's theorem, we get NOT function. Or in other words, A plus A is nothing but A itself by idempotent law. So this is also one way of proving the NOT function. Next is AND function. A bar, B bar. The output is given to next stage. Next is the final output, which is equal to A bar plus B bar whole bar. Apply De Morgan's theorem, we get AND function. Next is the OR function. Two inputs A and B are given to the gate. The output is A plus B whole bar. It is given to the next gate. The output is A plus B double bar, which is equal to A plus B itself. It is the OR function. Next is the XOR function. This is achieved by the combination of 5 NOR gates as shown here. So here it is necessary to write the equation at the output of each gate, and finally we have to prove the obtained equation is the XOR function. So I left this to you people to write the equation at the output of each gate and show that the final output equation is the XOR function. Try by yourself. Next is the NAND and NOR implementation. Any Boolean expression can be implemented using only NAND and NOR gate. For that you have to follow two procedures. First one is to implement a Boolean expression only by NAND gate. The Boolean expression should not have any plus sign. Similarly, to implement a Boolean expression only by NOR gate, the Boolean expression should not have any dot or multiplication sign. For example, consider a Boolean equation y is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. A, B and C are the variables. C is also a variable, which is the output. So in order to implement this given Boolean equation only by using NAND gate, it should not contain plus sign. So this equation contains plus sign. This can be eliminated by considering the double complement above this equation. If you consider these two complement, it will not change the meaning of the equation. Next, apply De Morgan's theorem to the inner complement. We get this equation. Now, it does not contain any plus sign. All are dot operator. Now, by using this equation, it is possible to implement a logic circuit by using only NAND gate as shown here. First, generate the individual component here like AB bar, BC bar, CA bar. Then the output of this is given to the next stage. This is 3 input NAND gate. This is the final output, which is same as that of the simplified equation. Now the same equation is implemented by using only NOR gate. So in order to implement only by using NOR gate, the equation should not contain dot operator. It contains the dot between AB, again between BC and between CA. This is eliminated by considering double complement as shown here. Now apply De Morgan's theorem and simplify. We get this equation which does not contain any dot operator. Now by using this equation, it is possible to build a logic circuit by using only NOR gate as shown here. First, generate the variables like A bar, B bar, C bar. Next, generate the individual component like A bar plus B bar whole bar as shown here. Next is b bar plus c bar whole bar. The last one is c bar plus a bar whole bar. Then it is given to the next stage. This is the output of the 3 input NOR gate. So here the extra complement is get generated. This extra complement going to change the meaning of the equation. So in order to avoid this one, an additional component is required to generate. This is possible by applying the final output to the NOT gate using NOR gate. So two complement get generated here. These two get cancelled with each other. So this equation is same as that of the simplified equation. Next, second example, a plus b dot b plus c. This is in the product of sum form. So in order to implement the given equation only by using NAND gate, it should not contain plus sign. Here also the procedure is same. In order to remove the plus sign, take double complement, simplify by using De Morgan's theorem. Finally we get this equation. By using this equation, it is possible to build a logic circuit which contains only the NAND gate as shown here. Here also, first generate the variables like a bar, b bar, c bar. Then generate the individual individual terms like a bar, b bar, whole bar. Then b bar, c bar, whole bar. It is going to the next stage. This is the output of the final stage, but it contains additional complement which is going to change the meaning of the equation. So in order to avoid this one, additional complement need to be generated. This is possible by applying the final output to the NOT gate using NAND gate. So extra complement gets generated here. These two get cancelled with each other. So this equation is same as that of the simplified equation. Next is by using only NOR gate. The same equation is implemented only by using the NOR gate. So in order to implement a given Boolean equation only by using NOR gate, it should not contain dot operator. It contains the dot operator between a plus b and b plus c. So this can be removed by taking double complement as shown here. Apply the De Morgan's theorem to the inner complement. We get this equation. Now generate the individual terms here like a plus b whole bar and b plus c whole bar. It is given to the next stage. This is the final output which is same as that of the simplified equation. That is how we can build a logic circuit by using only NAND gate or by using only NOR gate for a given Boolean equation. To do this one, you have to follow two procedures as explained in the previous slide. These two procedures you have to follow to implement any given Boolean equation only by using NAND gate or by using only NOR gate. So that's it. These are all the quiz questions and assignment questions. So all of you write the answer for both the quiz as well as assignment on a white sheet paper. So I stop at this point. I hope all of you understand the concept, practice the things, then it became easy for you people. So have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.